To fix your AOC monitor no signal problem, follow these steps. First, ensure all cables are securely connected to both the monitor and the computer. Verify that the HDMI or DisplayPort cable is firmly plugged in and not loose. If you are using a VGA or DVI cable, try switching to a digital connection like HDMI or DisplayPort for better quality and reliability. Next, check the monitor's input source by pressing the menu button on the monitor and selecting the correct input. If you have multiple inputs, try switching between them to see if the signal is coming through on a different input. Also, ensure that the computer is turned on and the display settings are set to the correct output. If the issue persists, try restarting both the monitor and the computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve connectivity issues. Additionally, check the monitor's display settings to ensure that the resolution and refresh rate are set to a compatible level. If none of the above steps work, try updating your graphics card drivers to the latest version. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues with the monitor. You can do this by going to the manufacturer's website and searching for the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Finally, if all else fails, try resetting the monitor to its factory settings. This can usually be done by pressing a combination of buttons on the monitor, such as the menu and up arrow buttons simultaneously. Be sure to consult the user manual for specific instructions on how to do this for your particular model. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the no signal issue with your AOC monitor. Remember to always handle your monitor and computer with care, and to consult the user manual if you are unsure about any of the steps.